What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be finishing pad number 9 on my big concrete project here. Got all my stuff set up. Got my Harbor Freight mixer over there. Got the pad all ready. You can see I made a short video. So I got rebar coming out of all of these pads. And I got wire mesh in the middle. And I actually have one rebar that goes from that pad all the way over, connects all of these rebar together, and connects to that pad. I got a nice cool day today, so shouldn't have to work too hard. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a different setup with the water this time, just because this new nozzle I bought puts out less water per minute. So I have 4 buckets filled up. I'm going to use this one gallon little bucket to scoop water out of there and put it into there, and then I can just have this hose on pretty much the whole time, just filling up these buckets. I can just let it sit in one of these buckets and let it fill up as the mixer is making more concrete. So we're going to get started. Like always, I have a ton of 2B limestone, ton of highway sand, and 6 bags of Portland. I got a little bit of extra if I need. I'm officially starting this pad at 11:20. See how long it takes me to do. I have a feeling I'm gonna get this pad done really fast today. It's been about an hour since I finished. So now I'm just going to continue doing the finishing touches. So I'm gonna start by just scraping all the sides where I have the concrete that's finished already. I'm gonna scrape all that up. Alright, so I already hit it once with my mag float. So now I'm going to be putting the finish on it with this edgeless steel trowel. Alright, I just hit the whole thing with this. The very end where my wood form is, it's not really ready yet, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit and I'll come hit it again. I'll probably wait another half hour. Alright, it's the next day and this is what we got. So we can finally walk on all my pads. Got 9 out of 12 done. So I got a nice, pretty big, nice pad here to use now. Nice big rectangle. Here she is. This one, I'm not sure if I like doing this one this way or not. Having the 2 pads on each side and using them as the form. I'm not sure if I'm going to finish these last 3 that way or if I'm just going to do, you know, 10, 11, and then 12. This will be the very last one over here on the corner. Looks like I left my handprint in this one. Everywhere else is really nice and smooth. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna take this form off. You can see I took the rest of the gravel that I had on there, the extra, and I just spread it around and filled in all the little divots that I had, so I needed to use all that as fill. There she is. You can see, I think this is the nicest side so far. There's pretty much no big divots at all. There's a couple really tiny ones, like right here. But yeah, this is the best one I've gotten so far. Pad number 9 is all done. Can't wait to be done with this project. This concrete pad that is there right now, it is 24 feet long by 21 feet wide. So another 8 feet worth of pad will give me the total length that I wanted, the 32 by 21. Yeah, I can really see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I don't even know when I'm gonna be able to get the metal building that I'm gonna put on here. Don't think I'll be able to do that this year. So it'll probably be next year's project. So this concrete pad is gonna be able to sit here for a little while until I'm able to use it for what it's intended for. But until then, I can park cars on there and, you know, do work on vehicles on there, park my camper on there. But yeah, guys, 3 more pads. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on me finishing this project. If you guys want to see anything specific on these 3 pads, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to address it. I got this pad done really fast yesterday, so it was 2 hours and 20 minutes it took me. And I actually did like the way I was doing the water yesterday, just because that new hose nozzle doesn't put out very much water, like I was telling you guys, so it was taking way too long to fill up my mixer. Doing it with buckets like that and using a 1 gallon bucket, I would just put 1 gallon of water in at a time, and that way I knew it was the exact same amount of water every time, so it actually worked pretty well. Could you guys do me a favor and drop a big thumbs up down below? I really appreciate it. Helps the video reach a wider audience. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. Hope you have a great day. Peace.